on Scrap with Brenda. I'm Brenda, and we're here with another episode of Mini Monday. And this is called Windmill and Outline. Now, this is so fun, so fast, so quick. Perfect for scraps. Just really, really lovely. Now, I'm going to get a lot of questions about this later. I just know it. This is my Manx quilt. This is that 3-dimensional log cabin. And if you go search our YouTube channel, you're going to see Heather is explaining how to make a Manx. You know, when you go into the Manx quilting, you're going to see she explains it. Then I show you how to do it by hand. Then I show you how to do it by machine. This one is done by machine, and this is actually on our bed. It's we're filming this the Monday after Father's Day in June, and we just love this quilt. This is just such a gorgeous quilt. So, anyways, I wanted to show you that one that I did finish it. So let's get to our shout outs first. The first shout out, it's me, Jessica Lee, and the other shout out is Mona Did What. Now, both of these YouTube channels are going to be in our show notes or the description box below. You gotta go check them out. If you're not following both these guys, you gotta go. You have to. If you like what you see, go hit their subscribe button. They'd be probably more than thrilled to have you on as another viewer. Also, you're going to find all sorts of things in our show notes below. But if you want to help us out, make comments, thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, hype, hit that bell so you don't miss content. This all changes our analytics and moves us forward so we can continue giving quilters 3 fun video drops a week. And we're just having, my husband and I are just having a ball with this. Now, we also have Zoom Sew dates listed. It's the first Saturday of every month from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And they're listed there from now until the end of December. We are just having a blast in there, guys. Like, it's just, we have so much fun. And it's, you know, I would love to see you and meet with you and chat with you as well. We also have a Facebook group that's warm and welcoming. The admins say, please answer the questions to the group and agree to the rules. Otherwise, they can't let you in without a bunch of messaging back and forth. A virtual sewing room is hosted by Discord, and we have all sorts of fun community chats and fabric exchanges by country to keep postal costs down. I speak for free to quilting guilds and quilting groups. So if your guild or group is looking for a speaker, I'd be happy to come talk to them over Zoom. I don't go travel anymore, and I don't have like a trunk show or anything like that. And you can find my email address under my About tab, or you can message me through the Facebook group. I'd be more than happy to make an accommodation. It's my way of giving back to the quilting community. Also, shout outs. If you guys see somebody, a quilting channel that's working hard and having fun and just having a blast, please let them know. Please let them know. Let me know so I can give them a shout out. Just don't tell them that we're putting your name forward for a shout out, because we want it to come as a surprise. It's our way of sneaking around doing something fun for people. Also, this year I got involved with 2 collaborations. One is called the Quilters Challenge, and that's with Future Cat from New Zealand, Kelly from Kelly's Quilts Plus, Sam Alberts, Deb from Sewing with Debbie, and Michelle from Bits and Pieces, and Kelly from Silly Moon Quilting. We are coming up with themes, and what does that theme mean to you? We're sort of challenging each other. So what does the theme mean? And we're also challenging our viewers, and we've seen some amazing things. Like, wow, is it ever cool? Very, very cool. And I worked with some of these people before. I was so thrilled to be part of this group again. We are having so much fun. It's just great. Now, the other one, the other collaboration is being ran by Handmade by Ying with Donna. Now, she has assembled a bunch of quilters, YouTubers, and we're doing back to basic lessons, and that is perfect for the beginners. We just have so much fun with the beginners within there. But if you've been around a while and you picked up some bad habits, those are great videos for you to rewatch as well. And we just have all sorts of fun in those quilting videos that Donna has asked us to do. Also, So Yeah is running their annual charity drive for homeless in Alaska. It ends August 15th. Now, I have their YouTube channel and their .com in our show notes below. If you're watching this after August 15th, you still might want to get a hold of them to see if they're going to do it again next year. But it closes August 15th. Now, the other thing that we're doing is there is a charity drive that goes till October 15th, and it's coming out of the Orchid Valley Quilt Guild in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. And I'm going to have those, the link and address and all that below. It's from 4 to 8 inches, heart blocks unfinished. And that's the unfinished size. And it ends October 15th. Now they're doing a charity drive to see how many heart blocks they can get in to make quilts, charity quilts for the people in their area. So it'd be kind of fun if they got a whole bunch of quilt blocks from everywhere else, because they don't know I'm advertising for them. So it'll be fun. And I think, yes, I think that's it. Yes, yes it is. So come on in. Let's get to the sewing of Windmill and Outline. Windmill and Outline. Okay, we're at the sewing machine. This block is so cute, but so simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to sew the two pieces together first. Now you can tell I made this way too long, but watch what happens. This is so simple, so cute. Now we're going to line this up to the center, where it comes into the center first. And right to the end. There we go. And just give it a twist so we don't pick it up. You don't have to stitch over it again. And we're going to do all four of these the same. So you're taking your time and lining up this corner, right? The 90-degree angle on the triangle. Okay. There we go. There. There we go. Oops. And you do that 4 times. Such a kind of a cute little block. And this block too, if you it looks good scrappy too, right? Because you're working with darks and low volumes, or lights, right? Or you could be working with medium and lights. I mean, I found this dark steely gray leaf print, and it looks so simple. There we go. Get this out of the way. There. So, this is the Monday after Father's Day, and Edmonton, Alberta, where I live, has been under a rainfall warning, and all sorts of, it's not stopped raining for days. I'm just like, I'm asking my friends if they have any Noah's Ark plans to build an ark or anything like that, because wow, it's just getting out of hand. It is so crazy. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to take all of these, and you're going to, I'm just going to move this out of the way because I don't need it there. Ugh. So I'm just going to press this to the dark. All right, so we're going to push all of this way, and do all the same to all of them. Right. Oops, there we go. Nice. Very simple little thing. And you can, like I say, you can do, it's kind of like a weird little flag. Now, when the cutting instructions will give you this is not a bias edge, right? That's probably, the big thing is to not have as little of this on a bias edge as you can. So now we're just going to lay this all out again. And there we go. Like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to piece that together like this. Now, I'm just going to run them through the same way. Both of them all the same way. The same way will probably work just perfect. And then I know where to stop sewing. Right? Come on. Line up. There we go. Line up and make that. There we go. And there. So there's no seams to match really, except the very, very center when we're closer near the end. There we go. I'm going to push that out of the way. I'll do this same thing. Okay, here. There. And trim that, get that into our pet bed situation. Get rid of this little bit of thread. Okay. Then you want to press to the dark again. Then you want to press away from this pink. And now we're going to sew this together just like that. You see these these sides here? Now where you're going to nest is here. And because we've pressed to the dark, this seam goes this way and this seam goes this way. So that's going to be a perfect nest. And we're just going to make sure it's nested well. And then we're just going to run this under. Oops. Just, okay. I'm going to put a pin in here because I keep, my fingers, we've been on a rain advisory for days. So my fingers are starting to get a little sore from all the rain. It has not been fun. I am not a big rain fan, but that's okay. We're getting rain. We don't have any worries or concerns about forest fires this year in Alberta, so that's kind of nice too. I'm just going to pull that pin. There. There we go. Okay. That looked real easy, didn't it? Of course it did. This is a mini Monday that's actually simple. I know some of these mini Mondays, I get comments every once in a while, wow, they do such hard blocks. No. If you try them, you'd be amazed. So now I'm going to open it up just like that. And I'm going to see how everything is swirling. So it's swirling like that. So when I pop open that center, right, we're going to have all of this going the right direction. Okay, so now you would get your cutting mat out, and hopefully, here we go, you got this, and you're going to put this down, and wow, you don't have, basically you've got the pink to trim, and that's about it. So let's trim off the pink. There we go. There's one pink. And there's another pink. And we get the dog ear off here too, I suppose. There we go. So we're just about there. And I'm right on that hinge. This hinge here, it's just like really hard to cut on that hinge. There we go. And there. And there is our block. Perfect 6.5 inch unfinished square, and it looks beautiful. Now, like I say, you can do this all scrappy. If you wanted to go all different colors on the triangles or all different colors on the crossbars, you could. Just when I gave you the cutting instructions, I gave you the minimum amount. If you're working with a bunch of, like I was working today, with a bunch of longer pieces, yeah, just keep them that way. This way I'll throw these back into my pink crumbs and they'll be used somewhere else. So let me give this a really good press and we'll get to our ta-da moment. So here's our cute little block. It's called Windmill and Outline. Now these large triangles are straight of grain, so the cutting instructions reflect that. And like I say, you know, once you get it all sewn together, you just trim it to 6.5. So this one comes together so cute. And I really like this look, the look of this one here, because it's kind of a little crazy off center, but it's fun. It works. So I hope you guys are giving these a try. This one is one of the more simpler ones. It looks complex, but it's not. Really, it isn't. So I do hope you give them a try and you're having some fun with them and playing with some different colors or whatever when you see one of these that you really like. Okay, you guys stay well, take care. I hope you have a peaceful week ahead and life is treating you very gently. Okay, take care. Bye. My husband and I would like to thank you for all of your support and watching our videos and sharing and liking. It has just been, you've put us on such an amazing journey and we are having so much fun. I hope everything is going so well in your life and, you know, your 1/4 inch is perfect. Everything is working out for you. And we're just so happy to be part of your life and you having, like I say, you're watching us. I was just so thrilled that you're doing that. So I want to say goodbye and I want to thank you with all my heart. Okay? Take care. Bye.